How to completely sign out of a Google account on any PC or laptop. This tutorial shows you how to fully remove your account from a computer, including your browser and any connected apps. First, click on the Start menu and search for Settings. After that, click on Accounts. From there, click on Email and Accounts, or Access Work or School, depending on where the Google account was added. At this point, find the Google account listed there and click on it. In the next step, click Remove. Following this, confirm by clicking Yes on the warning that appears. Once done, open your browser and click on the three dots menu at the top right. From here, click on Settings, then click on You and Google, or Sync in Google Services, depending on your browser. At this stage, click on your profile shown there, then click Sign Out or Remove. Keep in mind, this removes the account from your browser's sync and saved sessions, but you may need to repeat this for other browsers if you signed in on more than one. Finally, restart your browser and computer to make sure the account is fully signed out everywhere. And that's it. If this guide helped you completely sign out of a Google account on any PC or laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.